What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia, and it is a nasty, drizzly day here in Jackson, Georgia. We are here at a customer's house who has a pretty nasty dent on their fender of their Dodge Ram. It's been bugging them for a while, so we're going to go ahead and take care of this for them so that can be one less thing for them to worry about. This particular dent measures about 3 inches in diameter. It's right on top of the body line, so we are going to have to reshape and recreate that body line. One extra challenge is that this dent's located right up behind the antenna assembly. It was a pretty chilly day during this repair, so we put a heat gun on the panel to keep it nice and warm, help that metal move a little bit and prevent the paint from cracking. And we're alternating between knocking down the high spots and the crowns around the outer edges of the dent and working up that body line back to its pre-damage condition. Once the repair is completed, as you can tell, there's absolutely no evidence that there was ever any damage to this fender. Paintless dent repair is basically the closest thing you can get to a time machine. We've completely removed the dent, recreated that body line, and all this was done at the convenience of the customer's home without using any Bondo, fillers, or paint of any kind, so the vehicle's factory finish remains intact. If you'd like to reach out to us about scheduling your repair, you can visit us online at dentrepairgeorgia.com and click the Get a Free Quote button, where you will be prompted to fill out some basic information, and if you have any photos of the damage, you can submit them as well, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We'd like to thank you in advance for your business, and we look forward to serving you.